friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shyla and this is LaLa Land. And today I'm super excited to do this tutorial because I kind of owe it to you. My camera cut out last time for the lash application, so I'm going to show you how to apply lashes very easily, 2 different ways. So on this eye, I will do it the way that I learned, and this eye I found a little bit of an easier way to get the lashes applied, so I'm going to get that done for you guys. I'm going to show you. So in 1 second, I'm just going to apply my lash glue. Again, I use the Kiss lash adhesive. And when you put the lash glue directly on the lash, you want to put it on this part, like the top part that's going to be actually touching your eyelid. I hope that's coming in. And then I just kind of move the lash back and forth like this so it curves to the shape of your eyelid. And you don't need to apply with tweezers shaped like that, they just help. Any tweezers are fine, or you can use your fingers. Tweezers help me a lot. So what you want to do is, with your mirror, you want to tip your head back and look down with your eyes so your lash line is easily accessible. I hope you guys can see me. And then just set it right on the lash line. Okay, so that's with applying the lash glue directly to the lash, or I'm sorry, the false lash. And then with the second way, and this way I think is actually easier, but you can decide that for yourself, where you take the lash glue itself. This is a brush tip applicator, and you just put it along the line that I've already done. Give that a second to get a little tacky. And then I'm still going to curve the lash. And then just again, tip back, look down, and apply. I hope you guys can see. Right to the lash line. And then attach it to the glue. Okay, and then give those a second to adhere, and then we're going to be pinching our actual lashes to the false lash to kind of make them a little more seamless. I am using my Lashy Box lashes, big surprise. This is style Kitty. And okay, so that should be long enough. And then we're just very carefully, do not pinch your lid, it hurts. But the lashes and your lashes, just gonna pinch them. Come on, done. Okay, and that is my 2 different ways for applying lashes. I will be trying to get a second video to you guys this week. I'm hoping for it. I'm not promising, but I'm definitely going to try. But I do hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, kind of little hacks or breakdowns, I'm more than happy to do it for you. But yeah, if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and make sure you set up those notifications so YouTube tells you every time I upload a video. Thanks so much for being here, you guys. I hope you have a great day and take care. Bye-bye.